Well, hello there, lovelies. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today, let's make this delicious Char Siu Chicken or Chinese barbecue. It is so delicious and ridiculously easy to make. Look, I know Valentine is coming up. This can be a beautiful Valentine dinner you can prepare for your partner. All right, so the first thing you'll need is a nice clean bowl. And not to worry, you can use any chicken of your choice, any parts of the chicken of your choice. I'm using thighs here. And everything that I'm using to make this delicious marinade will be in the description box. So here is a pack of Char Siu seasoning, dry rub. You can use the dry rub if you like, but I added to the seasoning marinade that I'm making to give it extra flavors. All right, I did also add some coloring because I needed it to be a little bit more red. Mix and taste, and here you can adjust your marinade before you put in your chicken. This smells so good, guys. So I let this marinate overnight, and the next day I place it on my baking rack. And I bake for 40 minutes, and then I took it out and I basted it. And I leave everything that I used to make the baste for the chicken, and I place it back in the oven for an additional 20 minutes. Now this was smoking. You can see it is so delicious. It smells so good up in here, guys. OMG. I can't wait for you guys to try it. Now, if y'all have not yet subscribed, I would encourage you to please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like and share, and drop me a comment. Now, I also made some delicious fried rice, not the traditional way. I'll drop the video for that soon as well. And I want to wish all my Asian brothers and sisters Happy New Year and Happy Valentine's to everyone. Thank you guys so much for spending the time with me today. Love you all. Bye-bye.